Today's topic is to get the substring from the given string by using a list slicing method. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to create the substring, that is string colon 4 and to the string 6 colon. So the first is going to be our starting of the substring and the second is going to be the ending of our substring. And after that we are going to have them as an output. So how this is going to work, like it's going to take the first four elements and it's going to split them, or you can even call it as it's going to partition those elements and it's going to save it into the start variable. After that the end variable, so how it's going to take is it's going to go through the sixth position of our string and it's going to take from the sixth up to the end of the our string and it's going to store it into the end, and we have them as an out.